Hi there guys, it's Kevin Walters from the Event Resources Group. Okay, quick tips about event marketing. We're going to start at the beginning. Why not? Who are we talking to and who are we targeting for our event marketing? We're going to think about that person and we're going to make an avatar. An avatar, simply put, is our own imagined perfect customer, our perfect client, our perfect delegate, the people that we want to attend our events. Who are they? What age group are they? What do they look like? Now, obviously think very carefully about this, okay? It's very simple to be very broad and very general, but the more specific you are, in fact, if you can go and find some pictures on Google up some images of different people and just find out the kind of people that you want to be working with. Who do you want at your event? And then think carefully their age groups. What are their sex? What are their interests? Where do they go? Where do they hang out? Okay. Now, a lot of people don't give enough thought to this, especially when they're trying to reinvigorate an existing conference. They think that they've got their demographics down. Yes, a lot of people have. A lot of people don't think it through. So come up with some pictures of your male delegates, your female delegates, your perfect avatar, and then think about the places they hang out. Where do they go to? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on Instagram? Are they on Facebook? Where are they? What do they do? The other things that we've got to really think about is, what are their pain points? What is it they really want to hear about? How can we help them solve their daily problems? Once we start to think in these terms, we can really work out who our demographics are, who are the people that we should be chasing and where they go. And I can give you some great ideas on how we can find out more about that avatar and those avatars and those people. Okay, Kevin Walters, Event Resources. Have a great day.